Kay maon ko, inika ni halal komodoa, pangakuhan ko, salta kalilaan, modain, pangakuhan ko, hadonya sampay, pahariat ako in agaran, hidayang ko, mga ko, patuhan, ko rabol alamin.
Allahu Akbar.
Salamat mapa sa always pag-suporta sa ko biskan badlungon kay ko. Nagid mo permi dira para sa loon ko nya. Naot man na kasi nabot gyapon hangtod sa kahangturan nya. Support gyapon tam. Love you mapa.
Love you more.
You are my real first love, my second chance, my greatest blessing, and the person I want to walk through every lifetime with. Thank you for choosing me, Yobo, for choosing me again, and for letting me love you with everything I am.
So, I promise that we will keep growing together, magiging matatag sa lahat, and build the life we all dream of. We will make our parents proud, and we will make each other proud. You are my heart, my safe place, my best friend, my yobu, my lovey, my love of my life, and my forever.
Ay, congrats ate. Soon to be a wife na. Congrats, magbinutan na. Today, magbinutan na.
Binutan na dyan.
Ha? Palahon na yung pagkamaldita. Bawas-bawasan gamay.
Dakoon dyan.
I love you.
Ang kami niyon, kung wala dira ang ginin nga lab, paghigugma, ang kami niyon, murag diri siya hugot.
Take a step back to yesterday. When life would move slower, we would never grow up. All we knew
You can make it, Kuya, because I have seen you very strong. I hope you're going to radiate or mas yun ang imuhang makita sa imuhang pamilya. Love you, Kuya.
Congrats, Ray. Minyo naman jud ka. Happy ka nunay. Kana lang.
Only glory that we could get back this year. This is our story. We could take back someday. Oh, if only we could get back someday.
First, ako nakita sa iya is kanang buutan siya and then gentleman, then kabalo siya mo-handle og batasan nako kay like grabe jud baya ako ang kamalditan, then kabalo jud siya if unsa ko ka paano niya ako like mapakalma, and then
Si Jelay, ever since nakita kami sa kantin kay na-starstruck ko ba kay gwapa kay siya. Yeah, kana sukad ato, dili na nako matanggal ihang naong sa kong kuan ba, kung utok.
This is our story that we could take back someday. Our lonely glory that we could get back this year. This is our story that we could take back someday. Our hope, if only that we could take back someday.
thank you din
Love
sa
you
inyo,
na.
pagsabot na ako.
I love you too.
Isa group hug, type hug. No, si family hug.
during ato ng mga months na nag-break me kay naka-realize ko na ay lahi ra gyud ay kung si Jelay mo palangga kay lambing kaayo niya. Always na adra para sa imo. Hey, what's up, man? Alhamdulillah. I'll always be here for you through sickness and in hurt na ako dere. And biskan unsa pa na mahitabo sa tong life, biskag unsa kalisod ug unsa kapait, bahalag magkinaunsa. I'll always secure your safety always and your happiness. I love you, Yobo. See you later.
Thank you sa tanan na kinatag nimo sa ko and then pagsabot sa ko ang batasan, and I love you so much, Yobo.
Welcome to my vlog, guys. So, kaslo naman day ko lo niya.